And maybe a few last questions, like, so what is the future of cryptocurrency and Bitkub in general for you?
We have to differentiate between short-term noise and long-term vision. Right now, the world everywhere is facing a very high inflation, highest in 40 years. So the main goal of central banks around the world is to bring inflation down to 2% as fast as possible. So they are increasing interest rates everywhere to suck up the liquidity to reduce the inflation. And usually to reduce the inflation, it takes longer than creating the inflation. So I think in the short term, we would possibly be facing a recession within a year and a half. And the economy would be back up again in 2024. So the short-term noise that is happening now around the world with the war between Russia and Ukraine, the struggle of power between China and the US, the change of supply chain, the hyperinflation is gonna cause the equity market to go down. It's going to cause the cryptocurrency market to go down. People are keeping cash now instead of investing. So I think short term we have to be careful to not overinvest, not over leverage, to keep a lot of cash, and to improve on human capital. The best way to win inflation over the long term is to have higher productivity by bringing in technology and also human capital. But over the long term, I have met with so many, again, I was lucky again to meet with these different new dots, right? To meet with one of the biggest funds in the world, in the region and in the world. They share the same vision that blockchain, digital assets are going to be huge. It's going to be one of the main growth engine over the next decade. So that's one new dot that reinforces what we do. Another dot that or insights that I got to experience is that in the next 10 years, ASEAN region is going to be entering our golden era, where we're going to be having investments from all around the world pouring into the Southeast Asian region as one of the top investment destinations.